Well, it's about 10:20 in the morning, October 7th, 2016, and the eye of Hurricane Matthew is essentially directly east of us, right offshore of Daytona Beach. I'm in the garage now. We lost power about 6:24 this morning, right at 4 hours ago. I've got a little generator going outside. Let's go around outside, take a quick damage assessment, see what's going on here. Here's my little generator for making coffee. Got a bigger one to power up the refrigerator. I need to get going. Yeah, there's a bunch of limbs and stuff down. The roof's looking good. We've had some gusts up 50, 60 miles an hour. I'd say right now it's pretty steady, 40 or so. Yeah, a lot of just small little limbs and stuff, no big major branches down. Ooh, there's a 60 mile an hour gust, I bet. You can see the house is all boarded up. The roof's looking good. Our folding shutters across the front door and windows. Oh, a little flooding there in the neighbor's yard. The wind is about out of the northwest right now. We're walking northwest, and now lost a section of screen here. Pool is overflowing, but roof looks good. Yeah, parked our truck outside here. I think it's doing fine. There's the neighbor's truck there. The wind's off to the left, northwest, shifting around to the west. A little hurricane screen in there is keeping everything, it's basically calm in there. Plants are just sitting there out of the wind, except for this big one that's so heavy I couldn't move. Roof's looking good. Our bedroom windows. Oops. Globe on that light got busted. Gutter looks like the end came off or something up there. And we're just about back where we started here. So far so good, and I'm hoping this is the worst of things. That's a shingle off of somebody's roof. We've got the concrete shingles. Things are looking pretty good with the eye directly offshore. Hopefully this is the worst we're going to see, and that it'll be calming down a little bit from here.